Kyllä sen perkele täytyy Elvis olla. Eikä tässä nyt vielä niin päissään ole, että Resleytä siviiliksi luulee. Taikka siviiliä Resleys. Uskaltaiskohan se herättää ja kysästä? Hello! Hello!
Hello, hello.
Hello, are you Elvis?
Am I Elvis, man?
Yes.
Am I Elvis? No, man, I'm Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, I'm Elvis, man, but as you can see, I'm a pretty tired Elvis.
On se Elvis. I'm a big fan. Pitäisköhän pyytää sitä vetäsen joku ralli? Can you sing one song to me?
Hang on, mister. Can't you see that we're on an airplane? And anyway, why should I sing you one of my songs?
No kun tunnistin sinut, niin ajattelin varmistaa, että sä oot se oikee Elvis. So I know that you are the real Elvis.
Wait a minute, man. You
Yes, me.
want me
Yes,
to prove to you
yes.
that I'm Elvis Presley?
Oikein meni, correct.
Well, anything to get rid of you, man.
Thank you.
Well, I mean, no, sorry. I mean, anything for a fan.
Yes, yes. Joo, no minkäs ralli sä sitten vetäsisit? What song?
Well, before you woke me up, man, I was dreaming. Yeah, I was dreaming. I was in Spain. Have you ever been to Spain, man?
Kyllä mä Espanjassa on käynyt. Yes, Las Palmas.
Las Palmas.
Yes.
Is that in Spain? Anyway, man, I was dreaming. I was on a beach with a beautiful Spanish girl. So the song I'm going to sing for you is called Spanish Hound.